Alright, recording now. Here's the fourth video in the IF, which is Interpreting Function Standard for the Math 2 second semester final exam. This is spring 2019. Remember, the review documents on OneNote and the video series are not all inclusive. What we're doing here is it says, given the absolute value equation or graph, convert it to piecewise. Okay, this is really nothing more than just remembering the format and the structure, which is basically what the IF standard is all about. So if we look at this equation right here, okay, this is absolute value implies two different lines depending on where the vertex is. Can you guys tell me where the vertex is? Isn't that H and K? So where's the vertex? 2, -6. So our breakpoint is the x-coordinate of 2. So when we say this is in piecewise, all we have to do is remember it breakpoints at h. So we're going to do it this way, less than or equal to h or greater than h. Do you guys remember this thing? You can't have equal in both the breakpoints for the piecewise because that makes it not a function. And now it's super simple. Instead of absolute value bars, we just put in parentheses. That's supposed to be a minus. Okay? And here, remember, this is the negative branch. Okay? We're going to change the slope. We've got to make it a different line. Boom, that's all you do to go from equation to piecewise. Is there any questions on that? Okay? Now, the other one says piecewise of the graph in part 2b. So let's look at part 2b is actually this one. It looks like the vertex is at 3, 6. Do you guys all see that? Okay, so let's say h and k is 3, 6. That's going to be our breakpoint. So we might as well set this up and say x less than or equal to 3 again, or x greater than 3. So the top one is always, by convention, we decide to use our positive branch. But what is the slope of the positive branch here? Let's see if we can count it up. What's the slope? Is it -4? No, -2. Is the slope down 2 over 1? So the slope looks like it's -2. Okay? So that's on the right side, the positive branch. Remember, by our convention, we decided to use this one as the positive branch, just like this one actually. -2, x -3, but +6, and then change the slope. And that is it. Any questions for that video or that concept?